Hi, Castle U High School. Matt Flory back here for week 3 of the Mario Kart Tournament. I just wanted to go through it with you. This week is pretty simple and very similar to last week. So remember, you have your players up in the top left. For my example, I have these four. And last week they played, right? So I put in what place they got for each of them. There's only four players here, so that's why it's a little bit shorter. But this week, all you're doing is the exact same thing again, but on this side. And the reason for this is that this is week 2 of it, and at the end of this week, you'll actually have a winner. So right now, it looks like I have Jake as player one, and my scoreboard shows that Jake has the least amount of points here, and so Jake is in first place. Now, if Jake continues to get first place. Let's say today, he gets first place in a race, and tomorrow, let's say he gets first place in a race, he's going to have the least amount of points. So let's say and if he has the least amount of points, well, then he is going to be my cohort winner. The only thing I ask from you at the end of this week, on December 9th and December 10th, that once you have your cohort winners, just send me their names, their first and last name with what cohort they're in. And that way I can kind of get a pool of all the winners in all the advisement classes. And then the following week, right before break, we can actually run a school-wide Mario Kart race. Okay. So again, you're doing the exact same thing again here. You're just having your kids play. The race is already made for you. Just create them in breakout rooms, and then at the end of this week, just send me who your winner is, and that way I can kind of pool them together for this final week. If you have any other questions, just email me, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks a lot, and have a great week.